Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your GODA Perfume subscription. So if you have taken any subscription by mistakenly or by your knowledge, so how you can cancel it, how you can cancel your auto refill system. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open their official website like GODA Perfume official website, and once you are on the official website there is a button manage subscription at the very top side. Okay, and once you tap on this option it will pop up this kind of window. In this window you need to provide your email id, which is your registered email id. You need to enter your registered email id and you need to click send subscription login link. And once you tap on this option, now you need to log in into your email, or you can say like Gmail account. And once you enter your Gmail, you will get a link. By using link you can log in into your subscription account and you can cancel it. There is only this way by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.